Sophia Smith injury update. USWNT star exists matchup with Zambia with apparent leg injury. USWNT's first Olympic matchup, a duel against Zambia, was a glimmering success with the Americans taking out 3-0 victors, courtesy of goals from Terence Rodman and Mallory Swanson. It was just the sort of performance the American was yearning for in their first major international tournament matchup of the Emma Hayes era. Numerous players showcased their quality during contests from Cole, Soccer, Rodman and Wilson.